Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Easy English with us. In this video, we're going to learn some vocabulary about food and drinks. So subscribe to get all the latest news. Are you ready for today's vocabulary? Let's go! Food and drink vocabulary. Food and drink vocabulary. Basic foods. You can imagine yourself in a restaurant. On the menu today we have bread. Repeat after me. Bread. Bread. If someone asks you what you like to eat in the morning, you can say, I love fresh bread in the morning. Rice. One more time. Rice. Rice. I eat rice with chicken, so tasty. It's long, soft, and so delicious. Yes, it's pasta. Say it with me. Pasta. Pasta. It's food that comes from animals.
Yes, it's meat.
Now repeat after me. Meat. 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 Chicken. It's one of the most popular meats in the world. People bake, fry, or grill chicken. Now repeat after me. Chicken. 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 It lives in water, but we also eat it. Fish. Fish. One more time. Fish.
Cheese. Cheese is so tasty.
Say it with me. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Look at this. Eggs. Small, round, and full of protein. Say it slowly.
Eggs.
Now faster. Eggs.
Butter. Say it with me. Butter.
Again.
Butter.
Great job. Yogurt. Yes, say it loud. Yogurt. Come on. Repeat after me. Yogurt.
Yogurt. Yogurt.
Soup. Wow, look at that. It's hot, it's tasty, it's soup.
Say it with me. Soup. Soup. Soup.
Next word. Ready?
Sandwich.
One more time.
Sandwich. Sandwich.
You can have a cheese sandwich, a chicken sandwich, or even a burger sandwich. Pizza. Oh, yes, everyone loves pizza. Let's say it together. Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza. Let's keep moving and learn the next word. Burger. Say it with me. Burger. Burger. Sausage. Oh yeah, hot and juicy. Say it loud, sausage. One more time. Sausage. Sausage. Steak. Say it with me. Steak. Steak. People love steak with rice, with salad, or just by itself. One more time. Give me your best voice. Steak. Fantastic. Meals. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. Say it with me. Breakfast. 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 Lunch. Let's go, time for lunch. It's the big meal in the middle of the day. Repeat after me. Lunch. 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 Dinner. The last meal of the day. Say it with me slowly. Dinner. 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 Snack. Yummy and small. Say it with me. Snack. 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 Dessert. The fun part of the meal. Sweet things, cake, ice cream, chocolate. Say it with me. Dessert. 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 Oh wow, look at that cake. It's soft, it's sweet, it's so delicious. Say it with me. Cake. 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 Ice cream. Yes, cold and sweet. It melts in your mouth. Ice cream. Say it with me. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Drinks. Water. Simple, but super important. Water.
Again.
Water. Water. Juice. Fresh and fruity. Orange juice, apple juice, mango juice. So many flavors. Repeat after me. Juice. 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 Babies drink milk. Kids drink milk. Adults too. Say it with me. Milk. 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 Remember, practice makes perfect. Tea. Tea. One more time. Tea. Coffee. Coffee. Say it with me slowly. Coffee. Coffee. Soda. Fizzy and fun. Say it loud. Soda. 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 It's a cold day. Drink hot chocolate. Say it with me. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Again.
Hot chocolate. It's yummy, isn't it? Smoothie. Shake it up. Blended fruits and ice. So fresh and tasty. Try saying with me. Smoothie. 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 Thank you for watching this video. If you concentrate, you will understand. In the next part, you will learn more words and examples. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.